So I'll be asking a question which is around the certifications which we have brought. So we have a certificate called Chartered Wealth Manager, where we teach students how to manage wealth. And we teach three aspects of wealth management. How do you create or enhance wealth for a client? How do you preserve or protect it? And what happens to this wealth after the client? So how do you distribute it and pass? What value would these kind of knowledge or skills bring to a person who wishes to enter into the wealth management space, especially the front end of it?
So, right. So, the first two aspects of it, wealth creation and kind of retaining that wealth or sort of managing the wealth is the two most crucial aspects, because the third part gets into a little bit of legacy planning, gets a little bit more into family offices and so on and so forth. So the first two aspects is what I would think that a majority of a wealth manager's job profile or day would kind of get consumed, and is very important. What I see is that most people have very misplaced notions about what their actual risk ability is versus what their perceived risk taking ability is.
Right.
And a wealth manager's key job is to bring consensus between these two. So I've seen people who think that they are the biggest risk takers in the world, but a little bit of loss and then you can actually see the true colors come out. Like they're not able to stomach the risk and then they make very bad portfolio decisions. And the other way around also, right? The people who actually can stomach a lot of risk, but because they've never done it, they've all put their money only in equity and large cap stocks and FD, they've never really explored. So I think this dichotomy is what needs to be solved by every wealth manager, and those who do it effectively and consistently end up managing more and more money.
Thank you. Pleasure. Thank you. Thanks.